let's make sun catchers out of crayons. So I've taken the paper off these crayons. I have a cutting board right here. Put a towel down. I have wax paper, 2 pieces. My iron is warming up. I do not know how this is going to work. What I'm going to do is see how this works. Will it work? We might have to do it one at a time. Oh, it'll totally work. Oops. Oops, I think that was the wrong way. I think it goes this way. There we go. If they get too small, I'm just going to set it over there. Just get it all over. It's kind of satisfying. All right. I'm going to do a blue one. Oh, oops, wrong way. I did it backwards. Okay. This is so cool. Don't worry, I'll clean this real good. Either that or it'll just become my crafting one. Because I need one of these for a few DIYs I have in mind. Mixing it all up, the blue and the green. Oops. Alright, so I'm going to put you guys on pause. And I'm going to continue. Maybe. I'm going to put the top piece on. And yeah, we'll put the iron to it. Let's see what happens. Look at my hands. Not as bad as the beet was. All right, let's see what happens. Waxy side down. Hopefully I have ink. Oh, wow. Oh, holy cow. You guys. Wow. Look at it. It's so satisfying. I know I said it once already. It's a good thing you protect your surface. Oh my gosh, because it spreads way more than I expected. I love it. All right, I'm going to put you guys on pause. Let it cool. Once it's totally dry, we will remove it off there. Like I said, I am so glad I put it on, protected my surface, because it spread out way more than I expected it to. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to cut out little, like teardrops. like this. You can fix them, make it to whatever you want. This is kind of, it was the edge. I will fix it. Different sizes. And I will put you guys on pause while I do this. They're so cool. All right, so I have them right here. These things are cute. All different shapes, sizes, so you could do whatever you want. Stars, moons, hearts, crowns, whatever. You can use yarn. I grabbed some blue. Truthfully, I think I'm going to use this white yarn. But if you don't have that, if you have kite string, thread, fishing line, a ribbon, anything like that. So yeah, what I'm going to do is just cut a little piece. Actually, probably cut a couple of them the same size. I'm just going to put a slip knot in the top. Perfect. And then I'm going to decide from the top how far down I want my first decoration, sun catcher, to be. Because we can always trim it down afterwards. Whoops, get up here. Get back up here. So, piece of tape. Way longer than I need. We're going to, let me put one of these down. We're going to tape the string to the back. Anywhere. Just like that. I'm going to tape another one on it. Probably here. I'm going to keep taping. I'll be back. So this is what they look like with all the little doodads. I don't know what you call them. Sun catchers taped to them. All right, I'm going to go hang them up. So yeah, I totally need more. But I think they're cute, you guys. Let me know what you think. I'm going to make more, filling up both those windows.